One is an apostle to the Gentiles. The other is the apostle to the Jews. Today we celebrate the solemnity of Saints Peter and Paul, two of the most important figures in the history of the Church. They are considered as the foundational pillars ng ating simbahan. In the Gospel today, the importance of the role of Saint Peter is emphasized. Jesus said to him, I say to you, you are Peter, and upon this rock I will build my church, and the gates of the netherworld shall not prevail against it. More than 2,000 years later, matatag pa rin ang ating simbahan sa pangunguna ng Santo Papa na kahalili ni San Pedro. Hindi dahil sa ating pawang mga tao, kundi dahil kay Kristong nagtatag nito. With Christ at the center and the Holy Spirit to guide us, hindi tayo mawawala sa ating pananampalataya bilang isang simbahan. Gawing sentro ng iyong buhay si Kristo. G ka ba?